In this video, we're going to dive into three main components of the edit window: the transport, the big counter, and the grid section. Since the edit window opens up in compact mode, let's open the transport. The transport allows you to control all playback and record modes in regards to time. Going from left to right, the first button you'll see on the transport is the online button. This button allows you to sync a control surface to the transport. Next to that is return to zero, which brings you all the way back to the start of the session. After that, rewind. After that, fast forward, and then go to end. The three most important buttons on the transport are stop, play, and record. By holding down Control and clicking the play button, you can activate loop play. Loop play is great for critical listening, detailed edits, and auditioning new parts, like alternative playlists. By holding down Control and clicking the record enable button, you can activate destructive mode, loop record mode, and punch mode. To activate more transport controls, go to the top right corner, click the little down triangle, and you can expand your transport to see everything that it has to offer. Now separating the two halves of the transport is a blue button that says Gen MTC. The first thing you'll notice upon opening the expanded transport are two new counters. The counter up top is the main counter, and the counter on the bottom is the sub counter. Either can display whatever timing options you'd like to view. Next to the counters, you'll see your time-based controls. First, we have count off, which allows you to have a metronome count you off before it actually starts recording. After that is meter. That allows you to control the time signature the recording's in. And the final row is tempo. That allows you to change the BPM of a song. This can only work if the conductor is enabled. Below your time-based controls are your Midi functions. Next to the conductor, you'll find Midi merge, the metronome, and wait for input. Wait for input doesn't start recording until it receives a MIDI signal from whatever controller you're using. Now under the left-hand side of the transport, there are new recording-based controls. First, you have pre-roll. This gives you playback before you hit the marker. Post-roll does the opposite. After you've stopped recording, it keeps rolling. The fade-in button makes fades at the beginning of a recording. These options add a safety net to whatever you're recording.